Morning, guys. Let's do an Alena pattern today. Let's do one of the ribbons and grids patterns. Let's do this one. What did we pick? Belusen? Okay, so the first thing we're going to draw is a wavy line, apparently. And then in the curve of the wave, on the inner curve, we're going to draw an aura. And then on the other side, where the inner curve, draw an aura. And then we're going to draw this one. So it's kind of like a smiley face with a dot up here. Right? That. And then we're going to connect that dot with a little kind of like a loop. So then it looks like this when we're done, and then you can add other embellishments to it. Let's decide where our little wavy line is going to go first. Should we do it in a circle? Let's do it in an oval. Like that. Like that. Can you see that? Are you too close? You are too close. Okay. Pen. Like that. Right? And then it said to do an aura here on each side of this line in the curve. Like that. Okay. Then make this into like a smile. Like so. Right? I think I want to make sure it's really dry. Erase that guideline because I don't want it there. Can you even see it? Probably not, but I could. Okay, just gently. All right, and then we need to make like a teardrop going toward. Oop, that's too big of a pen. That's not the pen I was using. There's the pen I was using. That needs to connect here. Okay, a little teardrop going which way? Which way is the fat end? Fat end is at the top. It goes toward little point going toward the smile. Okay, and then the other way. They look like little watermelon seeds. Like that. Okay, and then we get kind of a, with a loop. Like that. Kind of like that. I think maybe my little seeds should have been closer to my line, but that's okay. Like that. Alrighty. And then she's put in her sample, she's put a little like flowery thing here on top of these petal things. I'm just going to do them on the inside, not on the outside. Of course, I don't have room on the outside. Let's do that. What did she do? She did. She did them more like petals, but I think I want to do it more like a shell. Like that. I think like that. I'm going to do a little coloring. Do I want to do it with pencils? Do I want to do it with pen? Do I want to do it with marker? So I've used my gel pen. Give it a little color here. Some of these are much bigger than others. That's okay. Okay. And then I think I want yellow. That's fun. Alrighty. Do I want to do anything else? I feel like it wants green, but I don't see my green gel pen. Huh, wonder what I did with my green gel pen. I do not see it. Hello, green gel pen. Where are you? Maybe it dried up. Maybe I threw it away. It's possible. Because I liked the green gel pen. So I used it a lot. Let's try this one. That is not the same. But it will have to do because it's what I started with. So once you started with something, if you just keep on going, whether you really like it or not, it's okay. As long as you don't just start and stop. Well, if you just start and stop, then it looks like you've made a mistake. If you just keep on going, then you haven't made a mistake. You've made a design choice. It's better now that it's dried down. Okay, so that's not so bad. All right. I'm good with this. I think we're done. I think we're done. This was a quick and easy one. What was this called? B-E-L. B-E-L-U-S-E-N. All right. That is what we've done. B-E-L-U-S-E-N. Okay. Zoom in. Make a nice thumbnail out of it right there. Alrighty. Look, it only took 13 minutes. You guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place one person at a time. I will see you on Friday. And we will create something together. What we're going to do, I don't rightly know. Do I feel like continuing to draw? Maybe. Do I feel like doing some other crafty thing? Maybe. Nobody knows what I'm going to do because I don't know what I'm going to do. All right. See you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.